Okay, so on most of these questions that have answer choices, if the answer choice is an equation like problem 6 and 7, you will put those in Desmos. And look at the table to see if it matches one of those equations. You would have to go to settings and add the table. Same thing for this one. We cannot do linear regressions on those two because look at the equations. That's not the type of equation that they're going to give us. This is standard form and then this is slope form. But for problem 1, 2, 3, and 4, you can do linear regressions on. So you would add a table. Like for problem number 1, you add the table in Desmos. And you use the formula y1 approximately mx1 plus b so that it can give you the equation. And that's for problem 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not 4. Because 4, you're going to have to use the answer choices, put them in Desmos. Same thing with 5. Put those in Desmos. This goes in Desmos. And this goes in Desmos. So I'm going to do one of each just to make sure that you remember how to do this. Let's do problem number 1. In Desmos, we're going to add a table. So right here, you add a table. We're going to put our numbers in there. I have 1. Enter. 3. And on the other side, my y's are 2 and 8. Okay? And then you, on the next line, you would type the formula, which is y1 approximately, so the little squiggly, m of x1 plus b. Okay, so this is what it gives us. It gives us the 2 points that we plotted, right here and right here. And it gives us a line that goes through those points. And it gives you the equation. They give you the m and the b. So we're going to write that down. My m is 3. My b is negative 1. So that means my equation is y equals 3x minus 1. Y equals 3x minus 1. And everybody should be doing this on their calculator as well. Okay, and why is it y equals 3x minus 1? Because my m was 3 and my b was negative 1 in Desmos. So let me show you again. Right here, my m is 3, my b is negative 1. So you just write the equation like that. So you're going to do the same thing for number 2 and number 3. On number 4, those are standard form equations, so we're going to have to type those in here. So I'm going to have to exit both of these and type letter A. So right here, I'm in problem 4, and I'm typing letter A first. 2x plus y equals 12. And I need to check to make sure that it gives me this table, which is 8, negative 2, and 14, 1. Okay, so let's type letter A first. Everybody's typing. 2x plus y equals 12. Okay, and you're going to hit the gear button. This little settings. Where's my table? Hold on. Okay, so because this equation is in standard form, it's not going to show me the table. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a table. And we're going to add those points that we got for problem number 4, which was 8, enter, 14, and then on the other side I have negative 2 and 1. what do we need? We got to make sure that those points are on my line. So look at where my points are. Those points are not on the line, so that's not the equation that goes through those 2 points. Okay, so letter A is not it, so we can cross it out. Let's try letter B. Do not erase the table. Do not erase this table, just the equation. We're typing the new equation, which is x plus 2y equals 12. Okay, did it go through my points? No. My points are right there, and the line did not go through the points. So B is not it. Go ahead and cross out B. Let's try letter C. 2x minus y equals 12. And that one still does not go through my points. So the last one, letter D, x minus 2y equals 12 is the line that goes through my 2 points. Okay, so again, we're going to have to add the answers and add the table at the same time and make sure that it goes through those 2 points. That's what you need to do for the rest of the problems, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to add a table first and check the answers. So let's go look at this real quick. So problem number 4, the answer was D. And then make sure that you add a table first for all of these. And you're looking for the equation that goes through that table. Okay, on the back page, I want you to just try your best. You do not have to do problem 1 and 2. So you can cross out problem 1 and problem 2. But I do need you to do the rest of those problems. I want you to try it first, and then we're going to check it at the end and make sure that we got the correct answers.